It's the 29th of December and we're heading out fishing. We're going to go for 3 days. We've got light winds over this festive period, and we're heading down to Lymington. We're going to stay in the yacht haven for a few nights. He's just getting the boat ready and we'll be heading off. Morning, Luke.
Morning, right.
Looking forward to a few days out on the water.
Should be good, 3 days.
North-easterly winds today, very light though. And we're going to go out onto some banks and see if we can find some spur dogs, congers, and hopefully maybe a tope. But it'd be a bonus if we get a cod, wouldn't it, Luke?
Yeah, that's the ultimate goal if we get that.
Yeah. You ready, Luke? See you later, boats. You right, Luke? See you in a minute. That's the boat launch. Really easy process. These trailers are absolutely amazing. Yeah, I'm on board. I'll push you off. No. Pushing you back out. Nice easy process, mate. So that's it, boat launched. Heading off now, Luke, aren't we?
Yeah.
Using your the radar as your eyes today, haven't we?
Radars, CLAP, Navionics, all the toys.
So you can see a note out there. So we're just coming up past the Needles. Just see them in the background there. Let's have a better look. See the Needles on the radar there. So it's roasty and toasty in here with that heating on.
Yeah, shut that door.
And get some cloth rags out. I'm liking the new cool box though. It's a beast, isn't it? Yeah, so is that. Got enough bait in there for the weekend. And we've still got plenty of room for some fish. So we're going to be using squid baits. And we've got plenty with us today. You're just setting up now, aren't you, Luke?
Yeah, it's all good to go, that one.
So, all we're going to use is simple panel. It is...
panel rig with a running ledger.
Yeah.
8 ounce lead. Not much tidal at all.
No, it's slack water at the moment, so let's see what we get. First chuck.
Let's go. Straight out the back in the middle.
That's perfect.
2 in the middle, 2 out the sides. Sorted.
The squid are a bit cold. They are cold, aren't they? Wait.
Looks like your rod, that is. I saw you put that one out.
First little rattle. Stop now. You're getting a few little nibbles there, Luke, aren't you?
Yeah, and the whiting. Put some feathers down with a bit of squid on. Whoa, that doesn't look like a whiting.
Oh, doesn't it?
No.
You got hawk eyes on those, haven't you?
Yeah, the big ones.
Big jumbo hawk eyes.
Is it?
It
is a whiting.
It is white. No.
Oh.
Didn't really want to see that, did we?
Shut your eyes.
Close your eyes, and what we got? Oh, whoa, whoa. No. So, very small bite. still there. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, a bit more. That's a bit more congerish now.
Yeah.
Go on. Oh, come off.
Could it?
Yeah. Bloody hell, that was typical. I don't think he had hold of it right.
No.
I'll just plonk it back down again.
You'll be back.
See if he comes back. Should have got too excited. First decent bite we've had for a little while, isn't it, Luke?
It is, yeah.
Yes, fish on.
That's it. Definitely feels like a conger. Pocket. I think it's #1 conger for the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Decent sized one, you think?
Feels good.
Yeah. I was going to say, he's giving you a decent,
Head shakes.
decent head shake on the rod.
Not quite 2-speed yet though. Richard's in over there.
Oh yes.
Fish on!
They've just turned up.
Red.
Yeah.
I think he is the conger. I can't see him yet though. Just dead weight, isn't he?
Is he just going back now, is he? Rich is into conger. Yeah, only a small one. It's a start, isn't it?
It's a start.
Nicely hooked though.
Alright, let's get him.
Get him off, shall we?
Get him off. Go us some waters.
Wallies.
Thank you.
So what you're using the wallies for, just wrapping up again.
Certainly because we do have wire trace on.
Yeah.
Just in case you do get a bigger fish. Lovely hook set. There you go, ready?
Yeah. Let him go on.
Fish on!
Yeah, that's a better one, wasn't it?
We got a fish on. That did not budge at all.
No?
I pulled into it, there was nothing to bite in. Just to see if it was sat on there.
And he definitely is.
You definitely is. But this,
It's a 2-speeder.
the 2-speeder.
We've definitely whacked that one out back quite far as well, so.
Yeah. It'd be nice if we sat further back. See what it says? Got this?
No, I'm good, thank you. Look after me back, Luke. Right, we'll come back to this one in a minute. Still going, Luke?
Still going, it's been about 15 minutes. Feels like it.
Staying a bit deeper
He's
this
staying
one,
a
isn't
little
it?
bit deeper, isn't he?
Because the other ones have been coming out of the back of the boat, haven't they? So.
Oh, here he goes.
Oh, yeah, he's still taking long.
He's
isn't
still got a bit of fight to him, hasn't he? I can see him spinning,
Oh,
he's not massive.
He's not, is he? I was expecting a lot bigger than that.
I was. It's tired, isn't it? It's picked up
Yeah,
more.
yeah.
And he's got a lot of fight to him. Very happy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Wallies. Ready?
Nice.
Splash.
So as the tide strengthens, we need to start adjusting our leads. What we're finding is that they're not hitting or staying on the bottom at the moment, so they're just bouncing up, and then the baits lift up, and then the fish won't feed on them because they're not on the bottom. So we're just going to go up to some 16 ounces and make sure we're on the bottom, or else we have to bounce them back absolutely miles. We're only on pound leads at the moment.
Into 16s.
Actually, I'm only on 10 ounces. Oh no, 12 ounces, and we're going to shoot up the 16s. I think I might get the eggy one.
You keep it on, guys.
Ratchet mount.
Good man.
Yeah.
Fish on?
We have a fish on, Luigi. Yeah, right rattler header. No.
Angry.
Yeah. Don't feel that heavy, but... Oh, you've got one now.
I didn't see that.
Oh, I see it.
I can't see it.
I can see it. I can see it. Oh, he's taking line, he is. They swim backwards, don't they?
Yeah.
Get in there with the 2-speed button.
Yeah, I've got my hand warmer. It is lovely and warm. My dad's getting nice and warm bringing in his fish.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll keep the hand warmer, you keep the fish.
He's not mucking around this thing. It's only small as well, isn't it?
He's the bigger one so far, I think.
Yeah, he's not a bad size actually.
No, it's a nice one, guys.
Yeah.
He's long.
He's long, isn't he?
Very long. Oh, long and angry.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, all good. He's not very happy, is he?
No.
Wait.
You gonna get him gone?
Yeah.
Go on then. Yes. 10, didn't we?
Yeah, it must be.
Hello?
Hello mate, you right?
Yeah, you having any luck?
We've had about 10 congers.
Have you?
Yeah, we're finding that we're having to put the baits right out really far back.
Right.
And then we seem to be
Yeah.
catching them then, but nothing, no other species.
No, I've had 2 whiting and one 9-pound conger.
Yeah, we've had a couple of nice congers, but nothing, no monsters yet.
No monsters.
No, but
Okay.
we
Alright.
are finding we're having to bounce the baits back miles to, and then we're getting more congers.
Okay, right.
So we might be a little bit high up on the bank, but
Okay, I'll try that.
I don't know how much rope you got out. Have you got all your rope out or not?
No, I haven't got all of it out.
Yeah, you could put a bit. What you could do is pull all your lines up and then let some more rope out.
Yeah. Okay.
And then that'll drop you back a bit further.
Okay, you put it out, yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's lovely and
Yeah.
flat.
I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah.
Just sat here anyway.
Yeah, no, it's chilling, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all good.
All right then, buddy.
Okay, mate.
All right, talk to you
good,
soon.
mate.
Cheers, mate. Bye. I think yeah, we've got another fish on here. I think.
No matter that, forget about that, we've got bacon stock.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was a start.
Yeah, that was like yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, Luke, I'm not getting that up. Just definitely had a bit more
A little bit more poke, come out.
poke, didn't it? Might have just hit it when I was poking it up, so. Might need to stop fishing while we're cooking our bacon rolls.
Bacon rolls are number 1 priority. Fishing can wait.
Definitely worth that little move back, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You've got a bit of weight, that one, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't like them head shapes.
Is he going to be one that's going to be...
Not bringing on board, no. Not having conger slope everywhere. Unless he's an absolute monster.
Yeah. He's got to be a...
50 plus.
Yeah.
And then I'll think about bringing him on board. Unless Daz is cleaning up.
No, we're good. Oh, man. Just finished that one, Luke, so you can have this one.
No, he's right-handed.
Is he? This don't feel like a conger. Have I missed it? No, it's there. This ain't a conger, Lukey. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, it's only a little conger, that's why. Didn't feel like a conger at all. Right, what I'm going to do, we're going to cook our fresh whiting that we've just had. So first of all, I'm just going to gut him. So, that through there. And that there. I'm just going to
Take the guts out.
get the guts out.
Lovely. Looks your man over there.
What we're going to do,
Feed them to the seagulls.
they're going to come along or not? Here they come. No waste here.
No, they didn't get it, but the fish will eat it.
Right. So that's the guts out, isn't it?
Yep. Give them a clean out.
Yeah, we're going to put them in our
Clean them out.
bait tank. Going to quick wash out. That's all right, isn't it? Right, so first of all, I'm going to take the head off because I prefer eating fish without the head. So I'm just going to lift the pectoral fin, and he's going to slide around on my. And I'm just going to take him to the top there. Do the other side as well. And there he is. So, and what I'm going to do is just going to remove the head. And crack that back. And there we go. That's the head all off. With sharp teeth. So I'm sure the seagulls come and eat that.
Feel it lightly on the bone.
That's how we used to do it.
Carefully pull the knife, and the top hand follows the blade down the length of the fish. And again, I'm only cutting as deep as the lateral
That sounds
line
better,
down
doesn't it?
the length of the fish. At this stage, I'm just going to tease my knife right through the fillet and release the tail.
We got that. We got bacon rolls. And then a bit of whiting that I filleted earlier. Very poorly, but we'll see what it tastes like. That smells delicious. Yeah, look at those.
Crispy as well, bang,
That's nice and warm. How many eggs do you want, mate?
I want 6 of these.
6 eggs.
No, I'll have
You want,
I'll probably double up. I'll have 2, but I'll have one now and one later.
do you want 2 now?
No, I'll have one now and one later.
Oh, I was gonna. Alright.
Number 1. Well, I think crack as well. He's going for it. Number 2. Down. Perfect.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, let's eat that. Let's get it gone.
It's perfect.
One. Oh, no.
Oh, yes. Who's having that one?
I'm having your one now.
That one?
Right now. Sorry, chuck that one back in. I'll have that one in a minute. I'm gonna have that with another. I'm gonna have another one.
Oh, yeah.
Two breaks.
You've got fish in a minute, haven't you?
Yeah, leave it. Let me try and take a corner so you can have my corner. Oh, I've got a little egg as well. God, that's has gone for it. Isn't it? Banging.
Now that was absolutely banging, that was.
It was.
Tide's just dropping. Let's stick some 12s down on it. I could do with a nap now. You going for it?
Yeah, just going a little flick back. Not too far. Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Loaded.
You got tomato ketchup all around your mush. Eh? You enjoyed that, didn't you? You are ready for a kip, aren't you? Yeah, he's in. He's there. Oh yeah, he's there, definitely there.
This one?
Yeah. He wasn't to wait until I struck into him, and now he's pretty much wound up.
You've annoyed him.
Yeah. It's nice where that tie's dropped a bit. Yeah. No, I'm right at the moment. Oh, it's a horrible head shaker, this one.
So what you haven't seen is what Stars have been bringing us for shitting. I've got on the go an egg and some bacon.
Little piggy. We've just had one already.
Yeah, for round two.
It smells delicious though.
Yep.
Oh, he's not bad size, is he?
He's alright, isn't he? Right, we're doing the egg.
Do you want me to turn your egg off? Quite chunky that one, isn't he?
Spinning.
Thank you. Better check your egg.
Oh, it tastes nice with squid hands, doesn't it, does it?
You have to hold it down with your fingers.
We can leave it.
The fan's right up, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
I would whip it over and then just see that fat that's in the corner.
Good.
That's it. Soak up all those juices.
Well, it's banging, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
That.
And the sun's coming out there as well, mate.
Lovely. Let's have a try. Are you going to dig in?
You
Just
try.
hands.
You try first.
With a bit of squid.
No, you're going to get a fork out.
Ah, you've got to dig in, haven't you? You go for it.
No, then you dig in first.
Just corner bit. Oh, a bit of skin.
Good.
Lovely.
Is it nice?
Yeah, really white, flaky. Not rubbery like Kaz's. Really flaky.
I had a golden bacon nugget.
It's nice.
But the fish is taste is lovely. You're enjoying that, aren't you?
Yeah. It just took me waiting for it and bent the rod over. And didn't take it.
Did it not? Gonna call it a day, Lukey.
Yeah, pretty good one.
Yeah, it has, yeah. Stack loads of congers, haven't we? So
Yeah. I'm busy all day.
what's the time now? 2 o'clock.
2ish o'clock.
Go back, go to the
Go shower.
limiting yacht haven and have a shower and that. It should be alright, shouldn't it?
Sorted. Get everything ready and head up spoons, I reckon.
Yeah, clean off the boat.
Not as if I need any more food, but
Yeah, I don't.
I don't.
Right,
Right, let's get sorted.
let's get going.